welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be redecorating my studio. Me and my husband had to relocate, and so I decided that I didn't really want to live out of boxes. Plus you can't really find anything in boxes, and I did that at the last place and it sucked. So we are going to be redecorating my studio today. That's about it. That's really all there is to this video. I wish there was more, but there's really not. I'll try to add some things that maybe would assist you in your life, such as whenever you move, the lawn care of the place that you're living, if it's a rental or if it's an apartment or a condo or whatever, and they just do lawn care whenever they want. So make sure when you're shooting your YouTube videos not to shoot them on the day of lawn care, because if there's one thing that has plagued my YouTube videos, it's lawn care. And it's January. What care do you have to lawn? Okay, let's roll it. This is our before, and hopefully it will look a little less horrible after we get it done. It's very odd how sweaty I got just moving these canvases around. One of my New Year's resolutions should have probably been to work out more. Quick beach break from the studio. Alright, this is my new instrument for the new year, right? Check it out. It's gonna be great. Whoa! That was a disaster. And that, my friends, is why you need a reliable piano stand. And that's it, folks. That's all she wrote. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy your weekend. Without further ado, like, subscribe, comment. Don't like, don't subscribe, don't comment. Be true to yourself. Later.